The Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Network Firewall Service is a cornerstone of OCI's network security offerings, designed to protect modern cloud workloads while ensuring seamless network functionality. Oracle has partnered with Palo Alto Networks to offer the OCI Network Firewall Service, a cloud-native, fully managed next-generation firewall service for protecting OCI workloads. OCI Network Firewall delivers a range of advanced security features, capabilities, and seamlessly integrates with various native OCI services. This series begins with an overview of the firewall's features, showcasing the capabilities that make it a robust solution for cloud security. It then explores the creation of firewall policies, explaining how to utilize the policy model to define and implement rules that govern traffic flows and enhance security postures. Finally, this series examines common routing scenarios for firewall insertion, demonstrating how to strategically place the firewall within different network architectures to maximize its effectiveness. The goal is to help viewers implement the OCI network firewall effectively in their environments and fully utilize its potential for secure and efficient cloud operations.